Welcome back, friends. Today's video I'll be showing you an education app in which you can literally search any topics and you will get information about any topic you wish. Just hit the search button and there will be a list of video lessons and you can learn more and become more. So without further ado, let's see what application it is and how to set it up. So first of all, you have to go to Google Play Store. In the search box, you have to search Khan Academy. So this is the app. It has a rating of 4.6 and downloads of 5 million plus. It doesn't contain ads or any premium purchase. All the learning lessons in this are completely free. I would just go for opening that, and you can explore many topics